Hello. So for this Blender video, it's part of the series for creating a 2D sketch into a 3D model and then rendering it. Um, for any model you're gonna do during this video series, this is the one you should review at least once or twice. But then again, afterwards, like you're good. This is just to make sure that your Blender setup is um, set up correctly, so that when you're modeling, it's really easy. So, first thing to do is go to blender.org, download Blender. It's okay if Blender is like 3.12 or higher. The latest model won't hurt us. Um, what we're using is 3.1 here, but again, latest model, latest version is fine. Then go to Edit, Preferences, um, Key Map. Make sure that this is checked. Tab for Pie menu, and then Extra Shading Pie menu. For input, make sure that the top check thing is here. Email a 3-button mouse, and then for add-ons, we need to make sure we have Add Mesh Extra Objects, and then Loop Tools. So once all that's selected, you're ready to begin the modeling process. And that's going to be in the next video. We're going to take our 2D sketches that we made, um, insert them into here, and get started. All right. Thanks for listening, and I hope this video helps. Again, once or twice, set it up, and you're good.